Hello everyone, this video gives you a sneak peek into brand new functionalities introduced in MotionSolve 2020 specifically for 2- and 3-wheeled vehicles. In HyperWorks 2020, we have released a new vehicle library for traditional and electric motorcycles, scooters and 3-wheelers. With this solution, you can understand and improve vehicle dynamics and control, component durability, and ride and comfort attributes of a vehicle early in the product lifecycle development. As in any CAE process, here too, you can use an intuitive graphical user interface to quickly assemble a model, submit it to the solver, which does the number crunching and writes out the result files. You can then post-process these results to look at animations and plots. If you decide to improve your design, the software allows you to perform design of experiments on the model and make decisions based on it. For quick assembly of model, you are provided with a library of subsystems which can be called in to quickly assemble a vehicle model. The solution we have created has 4 parts to it. First, you assemble a vehicle model using a graphical user interface. To facilitate the modeling, all the key subsystems are available as parametric models. You can instantiate these and define their design parameters to complete a model definition. Second, once a complete model is built, you can create events that you want the driver to perform. The driver is capable of driving both leaning and non-leaning vehicles. After this step is complete, the model is sent to a general-purpose multi-body solver. The solver formulates the underlying equations of motion and numerically solves them to obtain the response of the system. Third, you load the computed results to an intuitive post-processor to look at animations, plots, metrics of interest and create reports. Finally, once a validated model is obtained, you can perform design studies and optimization with the model to create a well-behaved and an innovative product. Here are some examples of vehicle dynamics and durability simulations done on 2- and 3-wheeled vehicles using the brand new functionality in MotionSolve 2020. For more information, log on to altair.com/motionsolve.